The Chicago
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
YouTube, before I go to the car. What's good, YouTube? Back at favorite spot, junkyard. They got seats, $15. I need a seat, cause I'm about to redo this truck. Take these flip-flops off, it's cold, but redo these seats real quick. I mean, back seat, I had a battery sitting back there when I wasn't driving it, and it leaked. Damn, it leaked on the seat right there, so I'm about to go grab the seat real quick. So stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I'll make this real quick, real quick. Think I know where some clean seats at. I think that's that Tahoe right here. Yep. Clean back seats. Yeah. Clean. I'm gonna take the drivers. I be telling y'all about these switches, right? It'd be hard to come by. So cuff this right here. Roof, everything. Yeah. So stay tuned. Let me go and grab this up out of here. All right, YouTube, we got them. Got them back there. Y'all can see the price. Saved. What's that? I'm trying to drive. Wait a minute. Save 27. So I'm gonna put them in. I might even put them up because I'm about to change the color and everything in the seats and everything. So yeah. So y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I got the old ones out. I got the new ones in. It's nothing but an 18mm bolt. So it's time to wipe them off. Now, then this cord, the pull cord was messed up, so I just took the little tab out and broke this or bent it as much as I could, and then put a screw to hold it. I had to do it on both of these. On this one too. Just put a screw in there. It ain't going nowhere. Yeah. So it's time to wipe these off. Like I said, I'm changing the color and everything on here. Everything getting changed. So, yeah. That's how we do it. $15. Yeah. I might go back and get the door panels. Oh, and I took that the master switch, I just stuffed it in here. Stuffed it in there and closed it back. Put it on. I got so many of these, it don't make no sense. I just got this off. Also, I'm working on the Cadillac, the folding mirrors rather. I got it. I end up finding the switch in the junkyard too. So I ran it and close, open and close. So I'm gonna get to that too. All right then, YouTube.